This is a 2026 Ferrari 12 cylinder. First in Nigeria, first in West Africa, first in Africa.
After shooting this video, we did a deeper research and discovered that there are 4 other 12-cylinder Spiders in South Africa. That makes this the first in West Africa and 5th in Africa.
Polanco is selling this supercar for 1.7 billion naira. And I'm just here thinking, what is the true cost of owning a car like this? Maintenance cost, spare parts cost, if anything happens, how much are you going to spend? My name is Crank and I'll be telling you the true cost of owning a 1.7 billion naira Ferrari 12 cylinder in this part of the world. If anything happens to your headlights, it's going to cost you about 25 million naira to replace the pair. The front bumper is about 20 million naira for replacement. So if you're driving, it scratches, it breaks, 20 million naira to replace this front bumper. Side mirror, if Okada should bash, I don't know if anything happens to this side mirror, it's going to cost you 15 million naira for a pair of side mirrors. The tail lights are almost invincible. It looks like it's a part of the bumper, but this is the tail light here. It's going to cost you about 15 million naira if it breaks. Then the rear bumper is going to cost you another 15 million naira for replacement. This rear diffuser is about 10 million naira if you need to replace it. Now, talking about Nigerian roads, potholes, whatever, anything that affects your suspension, the front tires will cost you 1.5 million naira each for the front. Then the rear is going to cost you 2.5 million naira each because the front is bigger than the back. The front is 275, while the back is 315. So standard setup. This brake disc you are seeing, they are called carbon ceramic brake disc. Best type of brake disc on any type of car. It's going to cost you 20 million naira for a pair of brake disc on this car. So front 20 million naira, the back 20 million naira. The suspension on this car, they are magnetic, adaptive, like it is a different type of suspension. 18 million naira for a pair of shock absorbers for the Ferrari 12 cylinder. And if your brake pad goes low, maybe like it has weared out, it's going to cost you about 2 million naira for a pair of brake pad. I know there's one cost you have been waiting for, the fuel consumption. One thing you need to know about the 12 cylinder is this may be the last naturally aspirated V12 engine Ferrari.
Let's listen to the sound of the exhaust. No turbos, no hybrid, just pure mechanical V12 sound.
I mean, it says it all in the name. 12 cylinder means 12 cylinder. So let me show you the engine and how much it consumes.
At this point, I was finding it hard to locate the bonnet latch.
Trunk. Okay, found it. Just go and take a look at this. 12 cylinders, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, but that's not the cost we're talking about. It's going to cost you about 120,000 naira to fill this tank because it uses a 92-liter petrol tank. So compared to the price of fuel today at 1,230, 120k fills the tank. And if you travel with this car, you drive it like a Ferrari from Lagos to Ibadan, it's going to cost you like 70k. So by the time you get there, you have only 20% petrol left. To come back, you have to buy another full tank. So this is, you can't complain. This is a V12 car. So 120k anytime you take a trip from Lagos to Ibadan. It's crazy, but it's a Ferrari, 1.7 billion naira. You can't complain. Let's talk about the maintenance of this engine. For the annual maintenance which you do every year, it's going to cost you about 2.5 million naira. Oil filter, engine oil, that's the normal regular maintenance every year. But every 4 years, you have to do a deeper maintenance that is going to cost you about 10 to 15 million naira. That one is going to include changing your brake fluid and all the fluids on the car, changing your brake disc, your brake pad. So you have the regular yearly maintenance and you have the serious maintenance, which is every 4 to 5 years. If you ever need to replace your engine, it's going to cost you nothing less than 300 million naira to replace the engine in the Ferrari 12 cylinder. The DCT transmission is going to cost you about 150 million naira for replacement. Let's check out the interior and see the costs of some of the things there. Remember I said this is a 12 cylinder Spider, meaning it's a convertible. So just watch this. Yeah, the Spider. This digital infotainment screen is going to cost you about 10 million naira if your child breaks it or anything happens to it. This screen here is going to cost you another 5 million naira if anything happens to it. The bucket seat is about 12 million naira each stock. I don't think anybody replaces the seat on their car, but maybe it tears or anything bad happens to it. It's going to cost you like 12 million naira to replace this full bucket seat. The interior you can see is Alcantara, black and brown, 12 cylinder inscripts everywhere. You have your DCT transmission controller here. Yeah, so it's a very beautiful car to look at. 1.7 billion naira. That's the true cost of owning a 12-cylinder Ferrari in this part of the world. You can't take this car, like you can't allow anything to happen to it because the spare parts are very, very expensive. My name is Kronk and this is 234 Drive.